a study on rent-to-income ratio in residential property sector of Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Some people who have financial capacity can afford to own a shelter, while some can only manage to rent it from those who can afford to own it. This study examined the rent-to-income ratio in the residential property market in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. A sample of 427 residential property occupiers was reached based on interviews and questionnaires. Simple percentage, means, analysis of variance, ANOVA, and pairwise were used to analyze the data. The result revealed that 35.3% was the mean rent-to-income ratio in Uyo. Self-contained had the highest rent-to-income ratio of the occupiers as it took 40% of the income, while tenement building had the lowest as it took 20% as the rent-to-income ratio. ANOVA showed a significant difference in the mean rent of occupiers based on the type of property, as the mean rent was N303,898.10 while the lowest rent was N49,434.80. And the highest rent was N647,777.80, and no significant difference based on occupation. From the pairwise comparison of the mean rent by property type, the mean rent for the maisonette was significantly higher than others, while the mean rent for the tenement was lesser than the mean rent of all other properties. The implication of this result is that rent default is a major risk in real estate investment, and tenants who may maintain consistency in rent payment may neglect other basic needs. As the mean rent-to-income ratio is 35.3%, tenants should be sensitized to understand the recommended rent-to-income ratio of 30% to guide them in renting housing and the implications. Also, the government should provide a home ownership scheme where she can subsidize the sale of houses or land to encourage the citizens to have theirs. Public-private partnership (PPP) schemes can also be encouraged to boost the housing supply, and this can help reduce the cost of housing. Introduction. Housing is a basic necessity, but it comes at a high cost. For many people, especially in developing countries like Nigeria, owning a home is difficult due to financial limitations. While some people can afford to buy homes, others are left with no choice but to rent. Unfortunately, renting is also expensive, and many tenants end up spending a large portion of their income on rent. Ideally, people should spend no more than 30% of their income on housing. However, in many places, this is not the case. In Nigeria, studies have shown that some families spend over 40%, 50%, or even 70% of their income just on housing. This makes it hard for them to afford other basic needs like food, healthcare, and education. The problem is worse for low-income families who are most affected by the high cost of rent. Despite the seriousness of this issue, not much research has been done in some cities like Uyo in Akwa Ibom State. This study focuses on understanding how much people in Uyo spend on rent compared to their income, and whether housing in the city is truly affordable for the average resident. Conclusion. This study found that people in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, spend an average of 35.3% of their income on rent, which is higher than the recommended 30%. Self-contained apartments take up the most income, while tenements are the cheapest but lack basic facilities. The high rent-to-income ratio shows that housing in Uyo is not affordable for many. This can lead to rent payment problems or force tenants to cut back on other needs. The study recommends tenant education, government-backed affordable housing schemes, and support for real estate developers to make housing more accessible and reduce overall rent costs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.